So, good evening everyone. I'm Sherwin Andres and for today's video I'm going to tackle about XML database. So, what is XML database? An XML database is a data persistent software system that allows data to be specified and sometimes stored in XML format. This data can be queried, transformed, exported, and returned to a calling system. XML databases are a flavor of document-oriented databases, which are in turn a category of NoSQL database. So what is the purpose or what is the use of XML database? The use of XML database is to store a huge amount of information in the next XML format. As the use of XML is increasing in every field, it is required to have a secured place to store the XML documents. The data stored in the database can be queried using XQuery, serialized, and exported into the desired format. So there are two types of XML database. The first is enabled database or XML enabled database. So what is XML enabled database? Is one of the latest development to address the challenges associated with XML data and relational databases. The unit of storage in relational database system is table row, which is known as record, and the best data to be stored in that database system is well structured documents. So this is the meaning of XML enabled database. The second is native XML database. So what is native XML database? Native XML database is a database that stores XML documents and data in a very efficient way. As a classical or relational databases, they allow that data is stored, queried, combined, secured, indexed, etc. So what is the purpose and the use of native XML database? Native XML database is based on the container rather than table format. It can store large amount of XML document and data. Native XML document is queried by expat expressions. So the comparison of enabled database and native XML database is inseparable. Meaning, native XML database have an advantage over the XML enabled database. It is highly capable to store, query, and maintain the XML document than XML enabled database. So here is the example of XML database. So here, a table of contacts is created that holds the records of contacts, contact 1 and contact 2, which in turn consist of three entities, which is first, name, second, the company, and the third one, the phone. So this is my video presentation of this evening. Thank you.